folks, Christian here with the superb cedar tree, and as you can tell, it's incredibly windy, so you'll hear a voiceover.
The Civil War replica 3-inch ordnance cannon barrels were donated here to the city of Clifton by Freeman's Battery Forest Artillery Camp 1939 and General Frank Cheatham's Camp 72, the sons of Confederate veterans. These cannons were placed here in the city of Clifton because this is where General Nathan Bedford Forrest crossed the river twice during his raids in West Tennessee. Now, the purpose of these raids were to slow down General Grant and the Union Army by restricting their supplies. Forrest crossed the river on December 15, 1862. He and all of his men crossed it, finding a rickety pontoon that they fixed up, and they carried as many men, mules, and horses as they could, and the rest had to swim alongside them. You can really check out the Confederate soldiers' diaries, and they will give a more accurate and crazy description of what all happened while crossing this river. But the city of Clifton in itself is a very beautiful and scenic town, and if anyone can make the trip out to, they should. My description of it can't do it justice, and the history here is just very rich.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this sort of stuff, the subscribe button will be about right there or down below. And check out some of my other videos as well. They'll be about right here. And just thank you so much. Please like and check out the links in the description below. They're really cool and neat stuff. I'd recommend to anybody. Alright, I'll catch y'all on the flip side.